In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your VAT settings with ease, whether you're a seasoned business owner or just getting started. Making sure your financial settings are up to date is crucial for smooth operations and compliance. Let's dive right into the process, and I'll guide you every step of the way. First, you'll want to navigate to the settings. Look for the settings option in the main navigation menu. It should be pretty easy to spot, and once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you'll want to select Advanced Settings. Now, if you're wondering why these aren't under Basic Settings, it's simply because Advanced Settings give you a more detailed control over your financial configurations. So make sure to select that option. With Advanced Settings in view, the next step is to go directly to Financial Settings. This section is tailored to handle everything related to your monetary affairs within the system. You'll want to click on Financial Settings from the list of available advanced options, which will bring up various settings associated with your financial management. Now you're exactly where you need to be to update your VAT settings, which is incredibly important for tax purposes and maintaining compliance. Let's find the VAT section. It's specifically there for managing your value-added tax configurations. Once you're in this section, look for a drop-down menu that mentions your VAT scheme. This is where you'll make the necessary updates. Here's where you customize according to your current tax obligations. You'll see several options presented, and it's crucial to select the one that applies to you. The available schemes might include cash scheme, accrual scheme, flat rate cash, flat rate accrual, or none if you're no longer VAT registered. Take a moment to consider which scheme aligns best with your financial strategy, or consult with your accountant if you're unsure. Choosing the right scheme can make a significant impact on how you handle VAT transactions, so give it the careful consideration it deserves. After you've made your selection, the final yet critical step is to save your changes. It's a common step that's often forgotten, which can lead to wondering later why updates didn't take effect. So ensure that you look for the Save button, usually found at the bottom or top corner, and click it to finalize your update. And there you have it. Your VAT settings are now updated. By taking these steps, you've not only ensured the accuracy of your financial reporting, but also streamlined your business operations. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more insights and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.